What's up, guys? It's Aaron from How To's by Bros, and today I just wanted to talk about do what excites you. So let's jump right into the video. What I wanted to say first is this video was kind of inspired by Tanner Braungardt. Go check him out. He's got an awesome channel, but it was his video that frozen ice on the trampoline or whatever. It was a video he made, and he talked about going after your passion and going after what excites you and not just doing stuff for money. So that's what I wanted to talk about. And so let's jump into it. So the first thing I wanted to talk about is do what excites you. Do what excites you, not what you think you should do or what other people think you should do. Don't just like conform and just like go to college, go to work or whatever and just not think about what you're doing. And it sounds simple, but doing what excites you 20 minutes a day even is just gonna help you in life so much. It's gonna, it's gonna make you wake up with purpose and wake up excited about life instead of just, waking up and just being like, oh man, I gotta go to work today. But if you don't know what excites you, what do you look forward to during the day? Do you look forward to, scootering or flips or whatever you're passionate about? Whatever excites you, just do that thing, okay? If you don't know what it is, just think about it. Take some time to think about it, and it's worth it. It's worth figuring out that, and then just do it 20 minutes a day, and try to build a business around it. I'm gonna have more videos on this probably soon, but I just wanted to get this out there and just don't conform to everybody else. Don't do what everybody else is doing. Just going to college, working, military, all this stuff. Do what excites you, okay? Don't conform to what everybody else is doing. I'm not saying don't work or whatever, but I'm just saying don't just follow everybody else's path just because they're doing it. And then another thing is don't do things for money. Like Tanner said, there's no fulfillment in it if you're just doing it for money. Do what you're passionate about and you will be able to make a living from that sooner or later. I mean, it might not be like full time where you're doing your passion, doing what excites you full time, but you're gonna get there. And it's yeah, so I just wanted to share that with you. So do what excites you. Don't do what your parents think you should do or what you think you should do. Just do what excites you, and that'll and don't do stuff for the money. Just do stuff. Just do stuff because you're passionate about it. And so yeah, thank you so much for watching. This channel has changed a lot. This channel has moved from flips to fitness to origami to now it's like helping people find their purpose. So my passion has changed a lot. I used to be into fitness, I used to be into flips, all this, but now I'm into helping people find their purpose and sharing the gospel with people, sharing that Jesus loves them enough to die for them. He loves you enough to die for you, and you're valuable. And so yeah, so that's what this channel is about now, about sharing the gospel and helping people find their purpose. If you want to, I want more videos, just subscribe. I don't post as much as I want to just because I've been busy with other things, but let me know what kind of videos you would like to see. Obviously, they'll be, regarding purpose and the gospel, but yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and God bless.